Hello guys and welcome to the very first video on this channel. Hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. Please take proper precautions and avoid going outside in this situation of pandemic and take utmost care of yourselves. So, let me first give you a brief about what you can expect from the videos here. I am basically a data scientist and I will be uploading videos on various concepts of data science and machine learning algorithms. Since I am also in the initial years of my career, I am here to learn and grow along with you people. So now let's get started with the very first video. What we will be covering in this video are some very basic definitions. For example, what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is the difference between all these three, and most importantly, what is data science. So, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is simulation of human and animal intelligence in machine learning. So basically, it is a machine who behaves like humans, right? It is a machine who mimics human using logic. For example, Siri. We all know Siri, right? Siri is Apple's virtual assistant. You can communicate with it, you can ask it to set up an alarm, you can ask it to send a message or call a friend or whatnot. So in such virtual softwares, we utilize artificial intelligence. Now, how machines will mimic humans is the question, right? Here machine learning algorithms come into pictures. Machine learning algorithms provide system the ability to automatically learn without being explicitly programmed. So let's say we don't have any machine learning algorithm and problem in hand is, let's say you want to differentiate between a human and a dog. So now imagine the number of lines, the number of if-else conditions you will end up writing for such small problem. For example, the conditions you will write are: if you have four legs then it's a dog, if you have two legs then it's a human, if the eye size is this much then it's a dog, if eye size is this much then it's a human, and so many more conditions, right? But machine learning makes this job so much simpler. You can fed a huge amount of data to your machine learning algorithms. It will get trained on that data and it will predict the results for you. Now, what is deep learning? Deep learning is basically a subfield of machine learning which uses artificial neural network modeled on the structure and performance of neurons in the human brain. Deep learning is most effective when you deal with large amount of data which is not having a clear structure to it, and you cannot use it to make any features. That's where you should use deep learning. Now let's come to the very important topic, that what is data science. Data science is basically cross disciplinary set of skills. What I mean by this is it's mainly mix of different set of skills. For example, statistics, domain expertise, machine learning algorithms, right? So that is why we say that data science consists of three distinct and overlapping areas. So a data scientist should be a statistician who knows how to model and summarize data set. He or she should be a computer scientist who know that when to use which algorithm and how to process the data, how to visualize the data, and he or she should have a domain expertise, domain knowledge. So let's say, and he or she should have a domain knowledge. So let's say I'm having a problem statement related to a banking domain, or let's say healthcare domain or consumer product domain, whatever it could be. I should have sufficient domain knowledge so that I can ask right questions, and I know that what insights I need from those questions, what are the correct answers to that question. So domain knowledge is must for a data scientist. Here is a very interesting Venn diagram given by Drew Conway, wherein you can see that data science is an intersection between your coding skills, your maths and statistics knowledge, and your domain knowledge. Interestingly, there is a danger zone here, which is an intersection of hacking skills, that is your coding skills, and your domain knowledge. So many a times what happens that people have solid understanding of real world problem and they have excellent programming skills also, but they do not understand the statistics behind modeling. In such scenarios, what happens is the program won't throw an error. It won't give you an error, it won't give you any warning, so that user will know that the assumptions of this modeling technique are not justified, or that data is not properly scaled. So that is why a data scientist should have proper statistics knowledge. He or she should know the statistics behind any modeling technique, any algorithm. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment box below. And please do like, share and subscribe if you like. See you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.